2025 Lexus LC. Starting at $100,600. Highs. Drop dead gorgeous, V8 engines upscale thunder, designer interior. Lows. Hybrid model lacks the V8's personality, rivals will show the LC their tail lights, tuned to smooth out roads, not eat them alive. Verdict. The LC prioritizes sleek styling, a supple ride, and a sumptuous cabin to create an enticing grand touring two-door sure to draw stares wherever it goes. Overview. Some sports cars impress with blistering performance, with brutal acceleration, precise steering, and otherworldly cornering ability taking precedence. The 2025 Lexus LC isn't that car. Instead, Lexus' stunning two-door takes a softer grand touring approach, with head-turning style, a richly appointed cabin, and a comfortable ride. Still, the LC is no slouch, even if it's not as intense as rivals like the BMW M8 or Mercedes-AMG SL class. A V8 engine is standard in the LC500, pushing out 471 horsepower. That's enough oomph for the Lexus to dash to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds, the 5.0-liter engine emitting a thunderous, gut-stirring noise in the process. For those who want more subtlety and improved fuel economy, Lexus also offers the LC with a creamy-sounding V6 hybrid powertrain that is still plenty quick. A convertible is available too, exclusively with the V8, for drivers who like to feel the wind in their hair. If you want your LC your way, the bespoke build program lets you personalize your luxurious two-door to fit your tastes. The Lexus LC isn't the sharpest driving too, but it compensates with eye-catching lines and a relaxed, elegant personality that make the driver feel like a star. What's new for 2025? After Lexus overhauled the LC's infotainment system for 2024, the sleek two-door enters the 2025 model year with minimal changes. The LC500 coupe gains new front and rear underfloor braces for added structural rigidity, and a new color called Iridium arrives, replacing atomic silver. The seats have revised upholstery and Lexus has reshuffled some of the options in the bespoke build package, including the convertible's available red and blue soft tops becoming standalone options. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Lexus LC starts at $100,600 and goes up to $107,800 depending on the trim and options. LC500 Coupe. $100,600. LC500H Coupe. $103,750. LC500 Convertible. $107,800. The base trim level is the LC500 Coupe, but there's also an LC500H Hybrid and an LC500 Convertible offered. We prefer the non-hybrid LC500 model over the heavier and pricier LC500H. We also recommend the Touring Package, which includes semi-aniline leather upholstery, a faux suede headliner, a 13-speaker Mark Levinson stereo system, parking sensors, a windshield wiper de-icing feature, and a heated steering wheel. The question now becomes whether to stick with the coupe or go for the convertible. The answer to that lies in your own personal preference. We can see the appeal of both. Engine, transmission, and performance. The beating heart of the standard LC500 is Lexus's high-performance 5.0-liter V8, which belts out 471 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. Paired only with a quick-shifting yet smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, it produces glorious internal combustion rock and roll that is as pleasing to the ears as the rest of the LC is to the eyes. The other powertrain offered is the LC500H's 354 HP gas-electric drivetrain, which combines a 3.5-liter V6, a pair of electric motors, a 1.1 kWh lithium-ion battery, and a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, that attempts mimics the action of a 10-speed automatic with only moderate success. There's minimal body roll and good balance to the Lexus's handling, and the ride quality is excellent considering the huge 21-inch wheels that our test cars wore. The variable steering and adaptive rear wheel steering systems included with the performance package notably enhance the quickness of the LC's helm and the car's general responsiveness. Yet the standard chassis setup is a better fit for the car's GT comportment and feels more natural without impeding the LC's tactility. We'd advise saving the money and sticking with the base chassis. Throwing out the LC's anchor comes via a firm and progressive brake pedal and big, fade-free brakes at each wheel. 0-60 mph times. At our test track, an LC500 coupe accelerated to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds, while the slightly heavier LC500 convertible model matched the coupe's time at 4.6 ticks. While the LC500h hybrid produces less horsepower than the V8-powered LC500, it's still plenty quick, sprinting to 60 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds in our testing. The 8-cylinder model is slightly quicker through the quarter mile, however, completing the run in 13.0 seconds at 112 miles per hour, with the LC500h just behind at 13.2 seconds at 106 miles per hour. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The LC500 tips the scales more like a mid-size SUV than a sports car, which means its EPA estimates are far from impressive. Though EPA results for the 2025 models aren't out yet, we expect the numbers from 2024 to remain unchanged as the cars are mechanically identical for 2025. For 2024, the LC500 Coupe was rated at 16 mpg city, 24 mpg highway, and 18 combined. The LC500 convertible delivers 1 less mile per gallon in the city, 1 more on the highway and the same 18 mpg combined. The LC500h hybrid serves up significantly more miles per gallon, 26 mpg city, 33 mpg highway, and 29 combined. On our 200-mile real-world highway fuel economy test, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, the LC500 exceeded its highway estimate by 4 mpg at 29 mpg, while the LC500h fell well short of its 34 mpg figure at 30 mpg. That makes the fuel economy difference between the two in cross-country travel largely a wash. For more information about the LC's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Lexus LC500 interior is a special place, with a great driving position, rich materials, fashion-forward design, beautiful craftsmanship, cosseting seats, and loads of technology. Some of its ergonomics can be fussy in practice, but the overall ambience suits the LC's concept car looks. Fit and finish are excellent, and we found the optional sport seats to be thrones of spinal support. Certain drive-car interface elements require some acclimation, including the funky, Toyota Prius, like electronic shift lever. The LC's compact trunk and the tiny, non-folding rear seats limit its storage space to 5 cubic feet, which is only enough for holding 2 of our carry-on cases. As attractive as the LC's cabin is, there are not many cubbies for stashing loose items. The center console, however, is adequately sized, and its lid can be adjusted to reveal a second cup holder. Infotainment and connectivity. A 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system is standard on all LC models, and it runs Lexus's latest software interface, which has proven snappy and easy to use in our experience. Navigation and a host of apps are all standard fare in the LC's infotainment suite, which also includes an onboard Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Safety and driver assistance features. Along with the 8 airbags stuffed into its compact cabin, the LC boasts a healthy roster of standard and available driver assistance technologies. For more information about the LC's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard adaptive cruise control and blind spot monitoring, Available lane departure warning and lane keeping assist. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Lexus's warranty plan for the LC is pretty solid among luxury coupes, with substantial powertrain coverage for both internal combustion and hybrid components. It's short of the best in terms of complimentary scheduled maintenance. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 6 years or 70,000 miles. Hybrid components are covered for 10 years or 150,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 1 year or 10,000 miles.